hose boom assembly. I'm going to clamp it from the outside, right at this radius, about a 1/4 inch down. And then you're going to run a tack in this top corner for the adjustment that you're going to make when you add your hose boom in there. With that one tack, and we'll go in here, tack here and here to keep this piece steady. Release the clamp and make sure that you've got about a 1/2 inch gap here. You've got a clip here at the back. It goes 7 inches from the outside to this front side edge, and then a 1/4 inch down on that radius. We also have a clip right here. Same measurements, 7 inches from the outside, 1/4 inch down. This clip right here is not punched, but it will sit roughly a 1/2 inch up, and it will have an oval hole in it that you will line up with your lock. We've got a complete hose boom assembly. It's welded here, and then it's also got a weld on the inside here and on the inside there, if you can see that. You got the hose boom. You've got this tab here that will help hold the arm in place. And you've got another tab right here that holds the arm in place. You've got your lock. And this will swing out. Push it back into place onto those tabs.